Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you how to grab screenshots from videos that I give you so that you can show me that you understand the rules, techniques, and shot types that I'm teaching you in class. This assignment is called the 127 hours trailer assignment, where you're going to watch this trailer and grab some screenshots of these shot types and upload them onto your Google site. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So first you're going to go onto eChalk and log into your account, and you should come down to your classes. And if you slide down the video production, click on video production, and this might all look different, but down here should remain the same, where you'll see our syllabus, my YouTube page, and my video production class website. Click on video production class website and then click on view. When you click on view, you'll be taken to my class website, and on the left in the navigation bar you'll see where it says 127 hours trailer assignment. Click on that. Once you click on that, you'll see pretty much the exact same paper that I handed out to you, but at the top there's a link. So click on that link and your screen will most likely look something like this. Now, you could watch it right from here, but we don't want to do that because we won't be able to grab any screenshots. We actually have to download this. And believe it or not, it's not that big of a file. So come up to the top, and this does disappear sometimes, but if you roll your mouse over, you should be able to get this little bar that pops up. And we're going to download this. So click on download. And it's going to ask you for scanning for viruses. And I'm not trying to put a virus on your computer, so you can go ahead and download anyway. And you'll download, and here in Chrome you can see it's downloading. And it's not that big of a download, it's a little less than 100 megabytes. And when this is complete, we'll be able to watch this under our program, which we call VLC. So while that's downloading, I'm just going to open up a new tab. I'm on Google, and I want you to Google VLC. And VLC is the Videoland media player. And I love this program because it's very easy to watch videos and it's very resourceful. You can do all kinds of things with it. So you're going to download this to your computer. So if you have Windows, obviously download Windows. If you're using a Mac, use the Mac. I'm currently using Windows, so I'm going to download the Windows version. And what I want to do, they give you lots of options, but you want to get this first one where it says installer package. So download that. Install it onto your computer. It is free, so you don't have to pay anything, but they do expect donations. You don't have to donate. And install it onto your computer. Now, I already have it installed on my computer. So in that case, I don't think I need to show you how to install something. So down here, I'll just search for VLC, so it comes up. And the screen comes up something like this. And I want to bring up my download folder. And if you go to my download folder, there it is, the 127 hours, the full-length official trailer. I'm just going to drag this and drop it right on so that I can watch my video. And if I double-click on this, my video will play. Another way to do it is if you automatically have VLC programmed to your video files, you could just double click on it and it will bring it up. The other thing you can do if you want to make it do that, you can right click, go to open with, and go to choose default program. Yes, I know it says it there, but you still want to click on choose default program, click on that guy and select VLC media player and hit OK. And that way every time you open up files like this, VLC will be used to play it. Okay, here we go. All right, so I'm just going to exit out of here, and I'm just going to pause this for a second. And what's really important when you first open VLC is to make sure that we have this toolbar open. To do that, just go to View, make sure that Advanced Controls is checked. If it's not checked, you're going to be missing this little toolbar down here. Back to View, Advanced Controls. And what we're first looking for is just a shot that we can use for our assignment. So I'm just going to play through. And let's see. All right, so here's our very first shot of the trailer, and it is a medium close-up of James Franco. We know it's a medium close-up because we are close enough, but we do see a little bit of his shoulders. If it was a little bit closer, maybe cutting off a little bit of his chin, or we're closer and we can't really see his shoulders, then I would say that that is a close-up. But this is a medium close-up shot, and I want to save this. And to do that, I can just click on this little icon of a camera. When I click on that, it will save the image for me. The other way to do it, if you don't want to click on this, you want to do keyboard shortcuts, is hold down the Shift button on your keyboard and hit the letter S. And that too will save the image onto your picture folder. Now to find your picture folder, you're going to go down here to the Windows icon, click on that, go to Pictures, and by default, VLC is going to save our screenshots right down here. You can see here is the shot of James Franco. It is just a regular screenshot. But some of you might say, well, I don't have access to this picture folder, or I don't like using this as my picture folder. And that's fine. Let me show you how you can change it and put it in a place that you want to put it. So you're going to go up to Tools, go to Preferences, go to Video. Down here where it says Video Snapshots, and you're going to click on Browse. Once you hit Browse, let's say I want to save this on my desktop. I'm going to create a new folder. I'm just going to call this VLC Screenshots. Hit Enter, and I'm going to select that as my folder. Hit Save, and this is important because it won't work if you don't do this. You got to exit out of VLC. Exit out and start it up again. And now, let's find that James Franco shot. Oh, there it is. And I'm just going to hit Control S or hit my picture icon. And when I go to my desktop, I should have a folder called VLC Screenshots, and there it is. So to keep this well organized, I know that this is a medium close-up shot. And when I look at the paper that I have, I know that the medium close-up shot is shot number 6 that I'm looking for. So to keep things really organized, I'm going to rename this. I'm just going to click on it again to rename it. I'm just going to call this 06 medium close up. You do it that way, or if you want to keep things even easier, we can just call this medium close up MCU. All right, and that will keep things organized for us. And then what I would do is I would do the same thing. I would watch through the entire trailer and try to find other shots that I could use that I'm looking for under my sheet. So I'm looking for an establishing shot, I'm looking for an extreme wide shot, and so forth. Once you have all your images, and let me just go find a second one real quick. Let's see. Here's an establishing shot. So I am going to hit Shift S. Minimize this. Here it is. I'm going to go ahead. Where's my establishing shot? Okay, that was number 1. And so I'm just going to rename this real quick. 01 establishing shot. Enter. Okay, and that will keep things really nice and organized for us. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you're going to go onto your Google page. Now, my Google page is the previous page that we had seen before. I'm going to go to my home page instead, and I'm going to go click on this brand new page. So create a new page, and we're going to call this the 127 hours trailer assignment. And since I already have one called this, I'm just going to call this student edition. You don't need to write that. And then I'm just going to hit create. Now it is making a brand new web page, so it's setting it up for you. And here we go. And we just want to start uploading some of the images that we had made. So I'm going to click on the box here, go to Insert, click on Image, and I'm going to upload an image. So I'm going to upload one of the images that we just found. So let's see, where is VLC Screenshots? There it is. And our first one is the establishing shot. So I click on establishing shot, and I'm going to open this. And it uploads onto the internet. Give it a few seconds. And here we go, and we can click on the image, hit OK. And there it is. And you might be like, whoa, things are getting cut off. So this is important. Right now, Google's thinking that you want to keep this at its original size. We don't. We want to be able to see the whole thing. So to do that, just click on the 100%, and it will fill in the screen. And so what I want you to do is underneath I want you to label this. So number 1, this is the establishing shot. And then I want you to explain why this is an establishing shot. So in this case, I would say that the movie takes place in the desert, and this will set up our scene or our movie, something like that. Give me an explanation of why it's an establishing shot. I'm just going to hit enter twice, and I'm going to do that for my next shot. So my next shot I would be looking for is my extreme wide shot that I found. So I would write extreme wide shot and put the picture in. But I think our other shot we used was a medium close-up. So we'll just skip to number 6, and I'm going to go to insert, go to image, go to upload images, and click on our medium close-up. Hit open, let that upload onto the internet, and we're going to click on that one. Hit OK. And once again, we have to shrink it down. So click on 100%. We're going to call this 6 medium close-up. And then give me an explanation why that is a medium close-up. And you're going to do that for all 10 shots. When you're done, make sure you hit save. And if it's on your web page, you should make sure it's under your navigational bar. Right now, my first 127-hour trailer assignment's there, but not the student version. So to do that, I got to go up to my gear wheel, go to Edit Site Layout, click under my sidebar, and I need to add it. So down here, I'm going to hit Add Page. And here it is, 127 hours trailer student assignment. I'm going to click on that, slide down, hit OK. And maybe I want to move this up a little bit. And I'm going to hit OK again. And now it's there. Once I hit close, it's all saved. And now, as the teacher, I can now go to that page and make sure you get the shots that I need you to know for this class. All right, guys, get to work.